Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. If you pilot drones, you fly quadcopters, you need to have a landing pad. So in this video, I'm going to introduce the StartRC drone landing pad. Comes just like this, looks very small, but this is folded. If you unfold it, it is pretty good size, and not just blue color, but it also has orange color. And when you are done flying, you can fold it and put it in your backpack. It's a nicely built drone landing pad, and it is also waterproof. Now, why do you need a drone landing pad, except that some drones have apron searching and precision landing on apron feature, and you want to test that feature? Well, not just that, this drone landing pad is very essential for flying drones. Check this scenario out. Okay, you're going to fly your drone, but you have only this kind of grassy and uneven area available. When you put your drone down, well, number one, when you are taking off, your propellers are cutting the grass and shrubs and taking hits. Number two, when you put your drone down, your gimbal, yes, your gimbal touches the shrub, plants, or whatever underneath it, and it gets locked. It gets locked, and if your drone has a built-in system to protect the gimbal motors from jamming and heating up and burning out, then your gimbal will be disabled, and when you fly, it will be hanging around. Well, most of the drones normally have a very quick reset feature, so as soon as you take off, the gimbal will automatically reset. But again, there might be issue with horizon tilt issue. So that's where the drone landing pads, they come very handy, because you can take off and land very safely from any kind of surfaces. So say this is an uneven surface, okay, I can put the drone landing pad right there. Okay, if it is windy, it also has these holes right here. You can put some kind of support in it. You put your drone on it, and your gimbal and propeller are not going to have any issues. So you can take off and land without any problems, and you won't risk anything. So let's give it a test right away. Before it goes out of your view. Okay, this time it locked it. But not sure if it will exactly land on it, because it doesn't look in the center. Well, this time is the closest one. Okay, flying is done, so time to go home. And that's how quick it is to fold this landing pad and tuck it in your backpack. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.